In this video, I'll show you how to calculate the probability of complementary events. This is part 2 in the series. Question 1 reads, a dime and a quarter are each tossed once. Part A asks us to find the probability of A where both coins are heads. Let's create a quick chart here where we have the dime and the quarter. There are 4 separate outcomes here where we have heads in both tosses, heads for a dime, and tails for the quarter, tails for the dime, tails for the quarter, and tails for the dime, heads for the quarter. Those are the 4 outcomes. So to find out the probability of A, both coins being tossed heads, that is a 1 in 4 chance. So the probability of A is a quarter. Now we could have also done this using the formula, where the probability of A, or anything, is equal to the amount of possibilities, which in our case was 1, and the total, 4. 1 out of 4 is equal to a quarter. In part B, they ask us to find the probability of B where not both coins will show heads. Well, we know that the probability of both coins being heads is 1, so to find the rest, you take the probability of B, 1 minus the probability of A, which is equal to 0.75. Let's move on to question 2. In question 2, we're asked to find the probability that the 3 tosses of a coin will all be heads. Now the chances of it being heads in the first toss, we'll call it toss 1, is half. The chances in toss 2 is still half. It's the same coin. And the chance in toss 3 is half. So to find the probability of several events occurring, we use the following formula, where we multiply the outcome of each event altogether. So we have half times half times half. This gives us a 1 in 8 chance that if you toss a coin 3 times, you will land on heads each time. And so there you have it. That is how to calculate the probability of complementary events.